Hello, Namaskara. This is Anupam back with another vlog. Let me just check the frame. Good. Today we are heading towards our degree college. They have invited all the ex-NSS students of the college. NSS is, NCC, right? It's something similar to the NCC, but NSS does the social service part of the thing. Okay, so NSS is National Service Scheme. So I was part of NSS for a couple of years when I was in my degree. They've arranged an alumni meet today. Today at 12, and it's already 11:16. I'm late as always. Ignore the mess. Just quickly take a shower and leave. See you on the bike. So yeah, I forgot you to tell that I'm going with my friend. This is Prashant. Hello, Saman.
Prashant.
So even he was NSS volunteer. So let me tell you which college I studied. I studied in a Vijaya College, which is in Jayanagar 4th block. So I was a part of NSS for a couple of years in my second year and the third year. Caught without helmet. Good. I was an average studying student and always active in activities like all these social services or college day, these, that and other stuff. I did enjoy my college life. College life, what I think about college life is, bunking college and going out with friends is definitely not your college life. Let me tell you, the real college life you enjoy is in the class. Trust me, I know people who used to bunk classes and miss all those funs, and now they realize that yes, we should have at least have been in class and enjoy the class atmosphere rather than bunking classes and going out. Yeah, bunking classes is also fine once in a while, but definitely not always. Teacher's job is really not so easy as what we think, when we are a student. The only time when we get to know the real value of teachers are, when you are working, you are taking responsibilities of your home and doing some responsible things. That is when you realize that yes, these are the things which teachers used to tell us in college, and yes, we are implementing it now. So definitely hats off to all teachers. Thank you for all your guidance, all your as I said, I was a part of NSS for 2 years, and in these 2 years we visited like a couple of villages to do the social service at the village and educate people about all the social responsibilities which we learn through NSS. And NSS has really changed so many lives. Being a part of NSS is really very good. It actually tells you how responsible you can be towards the society. And with being a part of NSS in college, get to join with this NGO group called Amrutha Bindu, which is doing a very beautiful job from past 6 years, and they have recently registered as a charitable trust. So we also have an charitable trust opened in Jayapinagar. If anyone of you want to be a part of that team who's serving the society. Most of them are youngsters, so it was started when we were in second year, and I knew about that NGO when I was in college, but I was not knowing the value of doing the social services. But then in college I attended a couple of events with that NGO. From past 2 years now I'm with them again, and definitely they have changed a lot of lives, made a lot of change in the society. So yeah, definitely you can be a part of it. You can register yourself as a volunteer. I'll give the link in the description. And if you wish to join us for an event, follow us on Facebook, and you will be updated with all the latest updates, latest activities, events we do every weekend. So this is all happened after I joined NSS and realized what being a responsible person in the society means. Rest of the thing, let's reach college and then show you guys what's gonna happen. I'm really excited to be back for the alumni function. It is really nice to meet all the old students of Vijay College, and remembering all those fun moments which we did. It was definitely worth being a part of NSS and serving society. You know what is the best part of riding to Silkboard on weekends? You don't have to wait in the Silkboard signal. I use the same road every day to my office, and trust me, I wait in Silkboard for like 40 minutes one side every day. I pretty much can do so many things in Silkboard, and I've been editing all my videos while traveling to office. Pain is weakness leaving the body. Amazingly written. So this is our college.
So payment proof ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ proof ಇಲ್ಲ ತಮಾಷೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಆರಾಮಣ್ಣ ಆರಾಮ We thought we were late, but we reached here at 12:15, and there are still people coming up. So it was nice meeting our juniors, seniors. So we're waiting for people. Stay tuned. I used to call people as Saman. So these are my juniors who will tell you how we used to salute. There's a Saman salute.
Your name and from which batch you are?
From the 98 batch, Thomas.
Wow. From the first batch.
I'm sure as you walked up the steps of the staircase, each of the steps kept on saying, hello, 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 why didn't you come back for this time? The classroom, the desk in which you sat will also probably say, welcome back. Where were you all these days? Okay? When you come over here and tell your success story, there's nothing to beat that happiness that we gain. The satisfaction that we feel is really, really not at all measurable, immeasurable. See, a teacher's success is only measured by the student's success. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
my class corridor, and this is where I studied my final year. So I used to sit there on the fourth bench, and sometimes in the last bench, and a few teachers used to told me to sit in the first bench. This guy used to come to our class to just stalk girls. So yeah, finally the day is over and the meet is over. We had a great meet, met all the old volunteers and also met new volunteers. They are really very active in their work, and yeah, really organized very well. And so they called us for to organize a very big event which is going to happen very soon. The date will be announced very soon, and we are forming a committee to organize that event and make that event success. So yeah, let's see how it goes. So it was a great event, very good spoken by our principal Sudha ma'am and our NSS head DG Mamta ma'am. That's pretty much everything for today. Then see you, bye bye, take care, Khuda Hafiz. See you in another vlog. Bye bye.